This is isoweld B.
Isoweld is basically a form of induction welding where the electromagnetic current is passed through the plate, which heats up, and that creates the weld between the plates and the membrane.
Isoweld is well established in the marketplace and has been around for 13 years. isoweld B is a welcome addition to the range due to its many benefits, including a reduction in power supply issues on site and improved health and safety. In the UK alone, the isoweld fastening system has already successfully installed more than 40 million square metres of single-ply membrane onto flat roofs.
So we have a calibration sleeve, and you use a section of the membrane that's used for the project. You put the plate onto the calibration foot, put your membrane onto it, and then you put that onto the induction foot of the machine, and then you set up your parameters on the machine to carry out the calibration for it.
Isoweld is the best of both worlds. It utilises the benefits of mechanical fixing whilst providing a non-penetrating solution for the membrane.
It's ease of installation, very easy to use, very quick. You can work from it on a standing position as well. It's a field fixed system as well. You're using less membrane welds as well, especially in the corner and perimeter zones. You're not doing as much membrane overlaps as well. You've got more coverage of membrane in there as well.
Compared to seam fixing, no penetration of the membrane is required, and significantly fewer insulation fixes are needed. In some instances, 50% fewer insulation fixings are required.
There's various different types of decks can be used. Steel decks, we've got timber decks and concrete decks. Isoweld can be used with the TIA system that we have for concrete decks, and the BSA system can be used for steel decks.
When using the isoweld fastening system, only one membrane width is required for the complete job. This results in less membrane welding being needed. Additionally, no cover strip is required. This results in less membrane material being needed, less installation steps, and therefore potential cost savings.
We provide a lot of training for all of our products, not just isoweld. Particularly with isoweld, we would come to site, show the site team how to use the machine, how to calibrate it, how to set up the parameters for the machine. Obviously, we can show the guys how easy it is to use the machine. We can also show them, how quick the machine is to use, how free-flowing it can be.
It's a good system. It's mainly for the larger projects, but certainly speeds the installation process up. Once you're used to it, it's very easy. The leads that we don't use, which to use on the old one, the fact that you don't need a generator, you can charge the battery on the roof. For the size of the job you're using it on, it would be speed and quite a considerable cost saving. Any project over 3,000 metres, I don't know why you wouldn't use it. Certainly would recommend it to anybody else with a project of a certain size. It becomes more cost effective.
Quite often when I'm on site, a lot of the guys that I speak to, they love the machine. They find it quite easy to use, and it's very fast, which they obviously quite like about it.
This is isoweld B.